Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to convert your website into a mobile app, into a phone app that people can use using an app called App Creator 24. I'm going to make this video short and brief for you to understand. So what you have to do is just log on to this site here. As you can see, I'm already in the site. Let me circle it here so that I can see it. See App Creator 24. App Creator 24 here. This is the site. When you log on to App Creator 24, the next thing that you do is to sign in. If you have already created an account. If you have not created an account, all you have to do is to sign up. I've already created an account, so I will sign in. Okay, let me sign in. Let me sign in. So now I just sign into my dashboard. Now let's create a wonderful app for this site called areamediabase.com.ng. So the next thing that you have to do when you must have signed in is to click on this create app here. Create app. When you click on create app, if you click on create app, you now start by entering the name of the app that you want to create, the name of the app that you like the site that you are converting to app to be. So for this one, I'm going to use area media base. I'm going to use area media base. I'm going to use area media base here. Okay, after entering your name, the next thing that you do is to choose your logo. Choose your logo. Choose your logo that the app will be. Just locate where it is and then choose it. Let me go to where my listing is. Okay, this is the logo that I'll be using for this app here. This is the logo that I'll be using for this app. Okay, as you can see here, you now describe the app like so. After you must have chosen your entered the name, the logo and everything, all you have to do is to click on next. When you click on next, it will now take you to another page where you have to choose. This place here is like the style of the app, either like the top bar, you choose the color that you would like it to be. So we'll go for this green one here. Let's choose green, then you select next. As you can see, so here we are. This is the most important aspect of it. This is where you choose the kind of app that you want to create. It says social and net. This one is for chatting, web app, TV or video app. So we are going to choose web app because we are converting a website into an app. So let's choose this web app. So after that, the next thing that you have to do is to enter the title and also the URL of the website that you want to convert into an app. So what to do is to enter the title. Let's enter the title of our site. This is it. Then you enter the website here. After entering these details, now all you have to do is to click on next. As you can see, saving. So this is now the next thing that you have to do is to go to your app manager, where you configure, do every configuration there in the app. Okay, this is it. Let's go to the app manager. Okay, this is it here. This is where the main work is. This is where the main work starts. So you go to this general, you check name and icon, make sure that everything is in order. Okay, this is it. This is our logo. This is our app launcher logo. This logo here is the logo that will appear on the phone whenever people I believe you have Facebook, just like Facebook, another app, you always have a logo. This is the logo that I'll be using here. So you now choose all this configuration, choose if notification icon, screen orientation, like if you want the app to be rotating and all that. But so this one now, I'm going to leave everything like this. So you click on save. Okay, says when you save the name or icon, it's necessary to regenerate the app. This might take up to 2 minutes. Do you want to continue? Let's click OK. Okay, the next thing now is to like go to the general settings, where you let's go to the general settings. Okay, this general settings here is where you choose or some other details, primary language and app description. It says here. So this one here, you says show notice about updates. Like if you want any update in the app, if you want people to see it, you click yes. If you want people to have password, like if you want people to like have a password with which they can access the app, you can easily input it, but we are not going to do that for this one here. So all you have to do is just leave it like that. So then the next thing now is, if you want people, this place that says access to app, this place that says access to app, as you can see here, access to app, access to app. Include sign up to the app, so we just leave this, you just leave it at without sign up. Here is the privacy, leave blank to show default message. You leave it blank so that the app will automatically generate the default message for you. So I'm on other settings like that. So that's it. There's something that we've left here, this place that says pay option for access to section. Like this app have different section. If you want people to pay for any section, like if you want in your app, if you want people to like visit, like pay for the section, you set the amount here in this place. Let me circle so I can see it. Select this place here. So that is it. So I think this place here, we are done with this side. So you click on save, you save it. So that's all for general. You go to share. This share is like how you would like people to share your app when sending this app out. This is the default message I will say. I recommend you this app. I'm sending you this app that you may be interested. This is the link, but I don't advise you send this to people. I advise you first of all upload your app to Play Store before you start sending it to people. So you click on save. Let's, because the we have not uploaded it to digital what's it called, Play Store yet. So you click on save. The launch message here is any like, so this section here is if you want to show a message when the app starts, like when you click on the app and like when it's showing up. So let's enter a title, welcome to area media base. So let's just say we are the best entertainment platform. So after that, you click, you save it, you save. Then you go over to this rate app. This rate app is if you want people to rate your app after using it, you show them to rate it. But when rating it, you take them to Google Play Store. I advise you, or like you activate this rate app after you must have uploaded your app to Play Store. Don't worry, my next video I'll show you guys how to upload your apps to Play Store. You save it, you leave it at no. If it has been published on Play Store, we recommend to show this message. But this one now is that it has not been published on Play Store. So we'll click on save and leave it like that. So the next thing is now is design, where the main work is. This is where the main work is. Then you go back to your color, the background color that you want the app to like have. You are the one that is designing the app. You know the color that you want, you know the color that you need your background to have and all that. So you click on save, you click on save. Here is the font, like the font that you want the app to have. You choose it here. If you leave it at default, it will be the one that the app, it will be the one the app creator 24 will recommend. So you save. In this place here is chat sound. This chat sound is for, is when you are creating a social network app. So this is not a social network app, so let's leave this place, this one vacant. But if you are using a social network app, you can choose anyone. These are the sounds. So let's go to menu type. Every app always has a menu. Like every app has a menu. If you want the menu to be at the top, like let it be at the top here, you can choose it. If you want it to be like beside it, like this one here, if you click here, this is how it will show. Get, and you choose anyone. If you can even decide to leave it at no menu. I recommend you leave it at no menu when you are creating for a website. As you can see, this one now we're creating is for a website. Let it load everything that's on the website. So let's leave it at no menu, without menu. So you save it. So now let's go to bottom menu. This place here, let's see. These are at the bottom of the app. You choose anything that you want to add on the app. You can easily leave it back, and but I suggest you leave it. You leave it because since it's a site, everything that will show on the site will be shown on the app. So you leave it. So this one here is main icon. Main icon here. This is the main icon. Like this is the main icon. Icon displayed in the upper left of the app. You save it. This here. It's already. So let's choose this one. Okay, let's save it. Here is the top bar icons. In app, every app always has a top bar. You choose the one that you want your app to have. Get, choose the one that you want your app to have. So you select any one that you want among here. To add, you click on this arrow. You remove it. If you click on this back arrow here, oh wait, sorry. If you click on this arrow here, it will return back. If you click here, you go back. So you choose any one that you want. You save it. Next thing is now is this loading image. This loading image is the one that will show whenever you want to like start the app. It displays why app is loading. You get why it's still loading. You are the one that will decide the one like how you want it to be. You just you can choose the time that you want it to load. Like when you click an app to open it, you always load. So you are the one that you choose how long you want it to load. So let's leave it as like this, 2 seconds. You choose the time, you choose the center. If you want it to like the logo to be shown on the app, you choose anyone. So let's choose the center. I advise you always choose your own at the center. So this one now, let's go to background image. This background image, I don't think it's necessary for a web app. I don't think it's necessary for a web app because everything that will be showing on the app will be there. They will be directly from the site. So you save it like this. No. So the next thing now is just to like go to sections. Section here is you create different first section. Like in every app it has different first section for um, um about us, other stuff like that, the other menus. So you if you want to create anyone, you click on create. When you click on create, you now take you to where like either to choose anyone at all. Create, you can even create up to 3 apps in one. You get, so but let's leave this one here. So let's leave it. Let's go over to office. This is our office. You can list and so many other options like that. And this one now is product management. You can actually includes stuff that you want to say in the app and other. In fact, this app creator 24 is actually the best app for developing any mobile app. So now here you can choose your statistics, you can run adverts for your app, you can include ads, like you can monetize your app using the app creator 24. Here's the statistics of people that are using your app. You can monitor the progress of your app using this. So let's download the app now. As you can see, we are done. And I just did this for the sake of this tutorial. You can actually take your time to like go through it and know other features, because an app has, like, you are the one that will, before you design your app, you must have planned everything out. I'm just doing this for the sake of this tutorial, and I believe with this you can navigate through this and also create your wonderful app. Let's download this app and see what we just did now. As you can see, it's downloading. Let's go to our download progress bar. Progress, as you can see, is downloading here. The app is still downloading. It's still downloading here. Okay, has been. Let's install the app now. As you can see, this is it here. It says RM. Let's install the app. It's installing. Okay, you install anyway because this app is not on Play Store yet. That's why it's showing this. So you click on install anyway, and you continue installing. Okay, as finished installing. Let's open the app and see. Okay, when you open, after installing, this is the app that we just created now. This is the app that we just created now here. This is it here. It says RM database. So let's open the app and see what we just did. Okay, let's open it and see what we did and see. As you can see, it's loading. This is okay. So this is the app. This is exactly the site, like what everything that appears on the site. This is it here. As you can see, you have easily converted the site area media base into an app. Someone can have that. So with this now, you can now any website. First time here in my YouTube channel, kindly go back to this YouTube channel here and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification icons so that whenever I post in tutorial video on how to create app like this, you'll be able to get notified about it. See you in my next video.